cleaner disinfectant. What do we need? We need vinegar, water, lemon, clean empty spray bottle, and a funnel. We have two types of vinegar here, apple cider and a sugar cane vinegar. We need to use the vinegar with the highest natural acidity. 5% acid. 4.5 acid. So we will be using apple cider vinegar. It has 5% natural acid. Let's begin. We need 1:1 measurement. 1 quart water, 1 quart vinegar. Mix water and vinegar. Squeeze some lemon for better smell. Shake the bottle. Smells good. We can now use our experiment by cleaning doorknobs, light switch, cell phones, toys, and a lot more. Studies confirm that vinegar antibacterial properties reduce the number of pathogens. That's it for today. Hope you learned something new. Adjust! Kaden from grade 4, and today I am going to be showing you a simple science experiment that you can do at home about density. What is density? Density is a measure of mass per unit of volume. Okay, let's begin. So, we need a tall glass, and we need some cooking oil. We also need water and some syrup and food coloring. And for the things that we're going to drop, we need grapes, a cap, any metal screw, and a sponge. So, start by taking an empty glass and dip in some water. And dip some food coloring. Then add some syrup. let's add more water to thicken up the layer. Okay. And now let's add some oil. And leave it to settle for about 15 minutes.
15 minutes later.
After 15 minutes, this is what it should look like. These liquids separate out into different layers because they're different densities and they don't mix. The syrup has the highest density, that's why it sits at the bottom. And the oil, which has the lowest density, rises to the top. Let's try to fall different things in this experiment. First, let's fall this metal screw. It should be at the syrup. Yay! It works at the bottom of the syrup. Now let's put the grape, and it should sit on top of the syrup. Yay! Now we're going to be dropping the bottle cap, and then it should stay on top of the water. And now we're gonna follow the sponge, and it should stay on the oil.